Welcome to our August gardening tour. It's hot, it's sweaty, and your garden is giving you major, do we still have to do stuff energy? The answer? Yes. Yes, we do. But don't worry, we'll make it fun. In this video, you'll get a front row seat to our garden in August. The good, the wild, and the why-is-this-zucchini-the-size-of-my-leg. Plus, we're dropping must-do tasks, common mistakes, and a secret weapon for next season. Hot tip, if your garden looks like chaos right now, that's normal. Tomatoes are rebelling, zucchinis are plotting world domination, and everything's just a little spicy. Comment below. What's your garden's current drama? Are your beans giving up? Is your basil bolting into the sunset? We want the dirt. Literally. And hey, don't forget to use the StrongEcho AI Gardening App. It's like a plant whisperer in your pocket, but without the awkward small talk. It even has a free seed-saving tool that shows you exactly how to save seeds from your current crops, so you're not starting from scratch next year. Your garden's future self will thank you. You can grow it. Now let's get into the August gardening tips and mistakes to avoid while you watch a tour of our August garden. Saving seeds in August, your free garden insurance policy. August isn't just about sweating and harvesting, it's about thinking ahead. Want free plants next season? Save your seeds now. Thank yourself later. Saving seeds in August is like hitting the garden jackpot. You've already grown the plants. Now they can pay you back. Here's why it matters. You save money. You grow plants adapted to your garden. You become the wizard of your own food supply. Yes, Gandalf, with cucumbers. What you should be saving right now. Tomatoes, fully ripe only, mushy, magic. Peppers, wait until they're red, yellow, or orange, not green. Beans, let the pods dry like your patience in August heat. Lettuce, wait for it to bolt and bloom, then snag those seed heads. Pro tips, label everything. No one remembers mystery tomato number 3 in February. Dry seeds thoroughly, unless mold is your vibe. Store in paper envelopes or glass jars, cool, dark, and dry. Seed-saving mistakes to avoid. Saving seeds from hybrid varieties. You'll get Franken veggies next year. Storing seeds in plastic baggies in humid places. That's a moldy horror film. Forgetting to check for pests in seed heads. Nobody wants weevil confetti. Bonus? The StrongEcho app has a free tool that walks you through seed saving step by step, so you don't accidentally grow squash that thinks it's a pumpkin. Tell us in the comments, have you saved seeds before? What are you collecting this year? What to do in the garden before 10 a.m., August Survival Edition. Your plants are gasping, you're sweating before coffee, and it's August. Here's what you should do in the garden before the sun turns your lawn into lava. Wake up early, garden warriors. Before 10 a.m. is prime time, not just for peace and birdsong, but because the sun hasn't turned your soil into a griddle yet. Deadhead like a boss. Snip off faded flowers to keep the bloom party going. Harvest early. Tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, they're juicier than your ex's texts in the morning. Water deeply. No surface level nonsense. We want roots to feel it, like a deep tissue massage, but wet. Weed attack. Weeds are weak in the morning. Hit them when they're vulnerable. Mistakes to avoid. Don't water the leaves midday. That's like sending your plants to a tanning bed with a magnifying glass. Don't skip this window. By noon, it's too hot for you and your plants. What's your go-to morning garden task? Comment below and tell us what's blooming or frying. Why you shouldn't garden midday, unless you're a cactus. Thinking of pulling weeds at noon in August? Might as well sunbathe on a barbecue grill. Let's get this straight. Midday gardening in August is a crime against yourself. The sun? Relentless. The plants? Wilted. The soil? Basically toast. So what should you actually do midday? Plan your fall garden. Dream big. Think beets. Sharpen your tools. Rusty shears, it's angry tomatoes. Use the StrongEcho app to figure out what to plant next. Let AI do the sweaty thinking. Mistakes to avoid. Starting seeds in hot soil. That's not a seed bed, that's a cremation service. Spraying leaves or fertilizer in full sun. Plants don't need chemical sunburn. Comment below. What's the hottest mistake you've made in the garden? We'll laugh with you, not at you. Probably. Evening gardening in August, the coolest time to get dirty. The sun's finally chill, the bugs are out for snacks, and so should you be. In the garden, that is. When the heat calms down, your plants perk up. Evening is when the garden says, hey, let's hang out. Here's your after 6 p.m. hit list. Pest Patrol, aphids, whiteflies, caterpillars, they're having a buffet. End it. Feed the beasts. Tomatoes and squash need nutrients to fuel their jungle vibes. Tidy the mulch. Keep roots cool, hold in moisture, stop weeds. Mulch equals chill mode. Mistakes to avoid. Don't spray during the heat of day. Evenings, less burn, more benefit. Don't forget to hydrate. You, not just the plants. Gardeners wilt too. Are you a morning digger or an evening warrior? Tell us in the comments. What you should plant in August, it's not too late. August? Too late to plant? Pfft, that's quitter talk. Let's grow some fall magic, baby. Just because summer's in full sizzle doesn't mean you stop planting. Now's the time for fall MVPs. Cool crops that love August starts. Kale, doesn't care about heat or frost. Respect. Lettuce, fast grower, easy win. Beets and carrots, they dig deep and chill out. Radishes, ready before you finish this playlist. Herbs you can sneak in. Basil, for your late summer pesto dreams. Dill, pairs with cucumbers, like PB&J. Cilantro, just planted already. Mistakes to avoid. Forgetting shade cloths. Your seedlings need SPF too. Not checking soil moisture. It's August. That stuff evaporates like gossip. What are you planting this month? Comment below and flex those fall garden plans. August gardening mistakes that'll roast your garden. August gardening is like cooking. You can either roast the veggies after harvest or accidentally in the garden. Let's keep it real. August is full of traps. Here are the top 5 gardening mistakes to dodge right now. Watering at noon. You're not helping. You're slow cooking. Skipping mulch. Bare soil in August? That's just begging for weeds and fried roots. Over-fertilizing. Your plants are stressed, not starving. Ease up, Chef Nitrogen. Starting seeds without shade. Those seedlings didn't sign up for sauna life. Not checking the forecast. Surprise storms or heat waves equals ruined plans. Whew. If your shirt's drenched and your garden looks like a jungle that hired chaos as a designer, congratulations, you've survived August gardening. Let's do a quick recap while you fan yourself with a kale leaf. Morning, water, harvest, weed, and deadhead like a calm, caffeinated ninja. Midday, don't even try. That's siesta time for you and your plants. Evening, pest patrol, feed the beasts, and mulch it like you mean it. Still planting in August? You bet. Lettuce, beets, radishes. The fall squad is ready for action. Saving seeds? You're basically printing your own money for next season. Respect. And please, for the love of compost, avoid those hot mess mistakes. Watering at noon, skipping mulch, and cooking your seedlings like garden fajitas. And don't forget, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App is your secret sauce. Personalized garden tips, a free seed-saving tool. And answers to questions like, why is my squash plotting against me? Tell us in the comments, what was your biggest August win, and what lesson did your garden slap you with this month? We want to hear it all. The fails, the firsts, and the mutant zucchinis. You can grow it. We believe in your messy, magical, sunburnt garden journey. See you next time, hopefully with fewer hornworms and more shade.